Husam and looking at his Nissan GTR. Let's check it out and take it for a spin. What's going on with this?
Built motor, just pistons, rods. For the transmission, it's the Shep Stage 3, and then it has upgraded Hellcat pumps, upgraded injectors, ID 1700s, and then the AMS Omega 11 kit.
Okay.
So they're Garrett turbos, the G30 770s. Nothing else fancy, just basic. The next step from full bolt-on, basically.
Got it.
Yeah.
All right. So with this setup, how much power are you pushing?
Last time I dynoed it in Cali, which I drove it there last year. We dynoed it in Mendocino on my friend's dyno.
Okay.
It made 980 wheel, around 880 foot-pounds of wheel.
That's awesome.
That was fuel limited. We started running out of fuel pressure around E50, so I couldn't run any higher than E50. With better fueling, a third pump, bigger exhaust, it should be able to do right around 11 to 1150.
Okay.
Yeah, same torque
That's
though.
insane.
Yep.
Is this actually for sale?
This car is for sale. We just gotta do some small changes to the exhaust, and then it'll be up for right around 70,000.
So anybody watching on YouTube, if they want to buy it, they can reach out to you and get it.
Yeah, thank you.
Sweet. GTRs are pretty popular.
Yeah.
In your opinion, what makes the GTR special?
The biggest thing that makes it special is honestly the engine.
Okay.
The VR38 is so simple in that you can get a stock one, you can do rods, pistons, and it'll be reliable up to like 12, 1300 wheel. You can do whatever you want with it. You can track it, drag it. If it's built right, it'll be reliable at that power.
That's insane.
If you want to go even higher, if you just do upgraded head gasket, upgraded bolts, it'll be good for around 14 to 15.
Wow.
Yeah. And the other biggest thing is the fact that if you're making 1200 wheel, there's no other car that will drive as easy as this car. Super easy, smooth, it doesn't want to kill you. It'll go straight every time.
Yeah, good beginner supercar.
Yeah, definitely.
Would you consider this a supercar?
I think so.
I would.
Yeah. It beats most supercars.
Right. You want to pop the hood and show us what's under there?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. What do we have going on?
As I mentioned, it's very simple build, so I don't even know which charge pipes these are. It came with the car. Same with the intercooler.
Okay.
Yep, but almost everything stock, timing covers, nothing powder coated. The engine looks completely stock.
Okay.
That was my plan with this car, just make it look stock, make it look clean, make it reliable power, and that's about it. We have Visconti flex fuel kit.
Okay.
And ID 1700 injectors. If you can look in here, I also have the Radium fuel rails with the fuel pressure monitoring system right here.
Okay.
We do sell this fuel pressure monitoring kit at our website if you guys are interested.
Where would they find you at? What's your website?
The website is btwtuning.com. This thing came with the car, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it.
Okay.
I think it's something like $500. This one, same thing, came with the car. It's an AMS air oil separator. The way it works is it gets vacuum from the turbo intakes. It sucks the vapors out of the crankcase, and then it drains them back into the oil dipstick. So that way you never have to drain anything.
Okay.
Kind of like
That's
a catch
sweet.
can, except you don't have to touch it.
That makes it easy.
Other than that, we got some tile, blow-off valves. If you look down here, we might find out what this intercooler is.
Oh yeah.
Boost Logic, I believe. Just a basic one, nothing expensive either.
Yeah.
Good for about 1,000, 1,200 wheel.
And it works.
Yeah,
And it works good. It's what you need.
It did pretty well on the track. We had no issues. Tracked it all day, doing 20-minute sessions, letting it cool down for a little bit. No issues. It has an upgraded AMS oil cooler, which helps on the track, but of course you can't really see it from here.
As far as the exhaust, because I heard it off camera and it sounds nuts. What are you running for that?
So this exhaust is the HKS steel exhaust. It's not the titanium one. This one, in my opinion, makes the GTR sound very clean. It's like the typical GTR sound. Yeah. Except pushing a lot more power than the normal full bolt-on cars.
And it does sound insane.
Yeah.
What about your wheels and tire setup? What's going on there?
The wheels are Advance. I don't know the exact model number.
Okay.
But they're Advance. They're 20 by 12 inches in the back. I believe 10 inches in the front.
All right.
It's running Toyo R888Rs, 325 in the rear and 285 in the front. So my philosophy with modifying my cars is I like to keep everything kind of like OEM plus.
Okay.
So I like to make it look kind of stock, just a little bit nicer. So here in the door panels, I got the black edition handles, and I got these from a black edition as well. Simple mod, but the biggest thing that I like about this, I upgraded it to the 17 and above steering wheel. Different airbag, different steering wheel, different steering controls. It just makes the car look a lot more modern compared to the other style one.
It looks super good. The carbon looks amazing too.
Yeah, just small upgrades here and there.
And with this much power, you need the stop. So what are you running for brakes?
For brakes, I just have upgraded rotors. I believe they're called gyro discs.
Okay.
The pads are endless pads.
Nice.
Nothing fancy, just a little bit better than stock.
Why should someone buy one of these cars?
I don't think I've driven any other car that does everything so seamlessly. You can take your friends with you, you can fill it up with 4 people, go for a cruise, do launches, do track. You know, you can do almost anything, it'll do well.
Well, I'm excited to experience it. Shall we take it on a rip?
Let's go.
All right.
You want to hear the launch control?
Sure.
All right.
That's wild. Yep. I love the sound of them.
Yeah, that's my favorite sound for sure. Like even some V8s, sometimes I prefer this.
Yeah.
The no is very, very unique, and you almost can't really mess it up. Like you know how the cars, sometimes you straight pipe it wrong or something.
Yeah.
These, like, I don't think I've heard one that sounds like it.
Yeah, no, I haven't.
Do a quick second gear.
Okay, second gear pull.
Slow it down a little bit.
Oh my gosh. It feels, I think this is the fastest car I've filmed.
Yeah, it's just like, it's so seamless. There's no drama to it. That's it's like a nice and a not nice thing. Like if you have like a manual high horsepower car, you'd be like dancing and squirrely.
Right, like it was so smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it just torqued up and went. So torquey, and you're just gone.
It is, yeah. It's cool.
Crazy.
It's a nice car.
That's so crazy.
And that's why I built it. I built it so if you know, eventually gonna get to review one that makes like 1300 wheel. Yeah. So those, they're very quick as well. But if you were to floor it, unless you're using anti-lag, if you're just cruising and you floor it, it's gonna take like a second or two for it to get gone.
Okay, yeah.
While this thing is pretty much
just instant. Yeah. Because of the smaller turbos you use.
Yeah, these are the AMS Omega 11. Okay. They're Garrett turbos. They're G30s, 660s, I think. Okay. They're 660s or 770s. Dangerous in that regard.
Yeah, it's like just, you can 0 to like. I mean, what's the fastest you got in this car too?
I actually lived right next to Mexico last year.
Oh yeah.
I went to Mexico with a couple supercars, and there was a guy with a McLaren. He kept flying by me, and he just like kept teasing me. Yeah. I was like, all right, we'll see what it'll do. I flew past him at like 186.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yep. So
I mean, I feel like this could reach 200 very fast.
It will, yeah. But when I hit 186 and I flew by him, my fiance didn't like it very much. Got a little bit of pops.
That's awesome. Holy crap. That's insane. That is amazing. That's so fun.
Yeah, no, it's pretty easy.
Holy crap. There's just no wheel spin. It just is right there.
It just just does it. That's what I like about it. And at the same time, it kind of takes away from it. If you want to like, you want it to slide a little bit, it kind of doesn't do it. You can get it to slide, just not with these tires.
Right. When I think of a GTR, I don't think of sliding.
Yeah, definitely not.
No way. Well, thanks for doing that.
Yeah.
That was awesome.